Just received this LED floor lamp from Amazon, and I'm coming on here to unbox it and then to show you guys what it actually looks like. Okay, so it comes with an instruction manual, but honestly, it looks so pretty on here. And this is the actual product. Got all these accessories with it. Okay, so it comes with some LED light strips. Got a charging cable. We've got batteries. We've got a remote. We've got this diamond looking thing. We've got this, which looks like it could be the bottom of it. It's kind of weighted a little bit. And then we've got these tubes. I guess these are to hold it all together. So let me just put this all together and I will show you guys the final product. Okay, so I put it all together and this is what it looks like. So we've got a couple of different colors that we can go to. So we've got the white light, which is just like a normal white light. I can press it multiple times to make it kind of like a cooler light. This is like in between, and this is more of a warmer light. And then you can kind of dim it down to a lower, and then you can kind of bring it up brighter. And then you can also change the color to red, make it brighter or make it dimmer. You can change it to green, you can change it to blue. So those are the colors it changes to. I'm not sure what this is, I just pressed the music button and it's kind of like flashing a little bit. But also oh, okay. I guess it's flashing to some kind of music, I'm not sure what. But yeah, if I turn it off, turn it back on, and press these arrows, it will do cool things like this as well. Different colors. This is super, super cool. I'm definitely putting this in my office. It's just gonna give me kind of like a nice vibe. If you're feeling like hypey, in a hype mood, definitely put something like this on, like you're in a party or something. So, so, so cool. And then you can also put it on a timer, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. So yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. And if you're looking for a floor lamp, definitely check this one out. It's got kind of like a cool cloth material, and it just looks very neutral, very great for your office or a bedroom as well. Definitely recommend it.